Hello, welcome to Gayatri's Kitchen. Today I am going to prepare the best ever Palak Paneer recipe. This recipe is very simple to make and it's so delicious. So let's get into the process now. In this recipe I am using 8 ounces of baby spinach. I washed it thoroughly and straining it. Now in a pan I am adding butter and oil. In that I am adding ginger, garlic, a medium size onion, 1 green chilli, some cashews, 2 tomatoes, sprinkle some salt and saute just until the tomatoes get softer. Now I am adding spinach here. In this, I am adding a handful of coriander leaves with stems. We have to cook just until our greens get softer. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon of cumin. Just mix well and turn off the flame and let it cool down. The mixture is cooled down completely, so I am adding it into a blender. We have to blend it into fine puree. I am adding some water here to make it into a paste. As you see here, the palak puree is very smooth and creamy. It should be like this. Now in a deep saucepan, I am adding butter and oil. In that, I am adding the palak puree. Sprinkle some salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of chilli powder, 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. Give it a mix. Add water into the blender jar and add it into the curry. Mix well. Throughout the whole process, don't cover the saucepan with lid because the greens gets too much darker in color. So try to avoid covering with lid. Now the gravy is getting thicker. As you see, the gravy is bubbling here. It will splatter a lot, so keep it on medium flame and use the deep saucepan. Now I am adding the paneer here. In this recipe I am using 12 ounces of paneer. That's around 350 grams. Give it a stir and cook for a few more minutes just until the paneer gets softer. While the paneer is cooking, let's add 1 small cup of whole milk. You can use heavy cream instead of milk here if you want to. Now the oil is separating from the gravy. and the gravy is also very thick and creamy. Now I'm checking the paneer. Yeah, it's soft and well cooked. Finally, I'm adding Kasoori methi here. Very little. It's optional, but it gives nice flavor to the curry. Give it a stir and the delicious Palak Paneer is ready to serve. You also try this recipe and let me know how it is in the comments. If you like this video, please leave a like and share it with your family and friends. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.